Meet the Alba EV battery lift 1.5 tonne, a powerful, precision-built lifting solution designed specifically for the demands of modern electric vehicle and drive chain servicing with user safety at the forefront. OEM approved, this is our own design available exclusively from Alba Diagnostics. Engineered with a split table and tapped top plate at 100mm intervals for tooling requirements, and a 1.5 tonne platform gives technicians the flexibility they need for complex component installations. With a lift capacity of 1,500 kilograms, this unit combines serious strength with smooth control, thanks to the dual speed lift and adjusters in the X and Y axis, as well as fore and aft movements on the top plate on these heavy duty casters for more precise adjustments. When it comes to safety, we don't compromise. The scissor lift features a ratchet locking system in the event of hydraulic failure. These other neat finishing touches help prevent trapped fingers and allow for safe movement of a 1.5 tonne weight. The lift should be dropped to its minimum height to lower the centre of gravity before manoeuvring around the workshop. Once in place, the adjusting handles and built-in gimbaled level lets you fine-tune positioning to give you perfect alignment with ease during critical installations. You can adjust the fore and aft using these lateral adjusters on the side, as well as making adjustments in the X and Y axis. Moving the unit is effortless. A hydraulic lifting trailer allows the platform to glide into position even in tight workshop spaces, and other safety details is the wheel guards that prevent feet getting trapped in the rollers. Whether you're removing a heavy EV battery or aligning a drive chain component, the Alba EV battery lift 1.5 tonne is the reliable workshop lift you can count on for stability, strength and safety. The Alba EV battery lift 1.5 tonne, built for today's challenges, ready for tomorrow's technology.